hate bringing up Christmas with the Cranks again, but I really am curious what happens when his neighbor comes home and they don't have their tree because Luther took it. How are they explaining that to Blair? Did you see Wednesday's haul? I'll link it down below. When actually I had gone to one Dollar Tree and found all of this stuff, but I knew I had to split it up because I was overwhelmed. I didn't want to overwhelm you guys, and also I like that this will just be solely Christmas items only, I think. So I'm just gonna dive in because I can't wait for you guys to see what I scored. When I saw it across the way, you should have seen me beeline for it. Like, I kept my eyes on the product and I was moving because had someone like walked in front of me, I wouldn't even have seen them. I would have ran my cart into them. I was so mesmerized by what I found. But okay, let's dive in. I have some more wrapping paper, and I've just been getting this along the way as I'm just seeing things that are catching my eye. And I know it's hard to showcase wrapping paper on here. You can see the snowman. There is also Santa himself with a really cute Christmas tree. I hope you're subscribed if you're into Christmas holiday crafts and DIYs and decor for your house, because I believe this year I'm going to be putting up the most that I've ever done. But I do have a Christmas playlist if you want to go ahead and get started, because my DIYs aren't going to start until November 1st. But if you just want to get a head start to gather your materials and all of that stuff so that you don't, so you don't run to Dollar Tree and it's not available, I will link my Christmas playlist down below. But I have been doing my own shopping to get all the stuff for my DIYs this year. So I secured a package of these candy canes. They also come in green and red, I believe, and a package of these snowflakes. Can we talk about how farmhouse and charming these ornaments are for $1? It's a steal. Ornaments can get very expensive. So it's just great to find these at Dollar Tree. Yes, he is missing a tree, like I said. And as I was going through these sets at my store, it was just a hit and miss. This was actually the best package. 3 out of the 4 had a tree, and not how we should be buying stuff. That's not how they should be putting it up, but it just tells you that I think they're pretty fragile and coming undone during shipping or in packaging or whatever they're doing. But this is also for DIY. More DIY stuff. I picked up 4 more of these mini trees. I can't wait for you guys to see how I'm going to use these. Oh, I'm so excited. But Dollar Tree sells mini trees. I think they also sell these in white, which I haven't quite seen yet. But I've made DIYs last year using these, so I'll link that directly down below if you don't want to go through my entire playlist. But I have new ideas for this. I picked up another package of these Christmas lights with the star. I hauled these recently, not too long ago, but I knew that I needed a 3rd set. Once I was writing like all my DIYs and everything that I want to do, I started writing a list of materials, and I needed 3 of these and I only had 2. So I got the 3rd. I have 1 solo gift bag for today's video, and it is this beauty right here. This actually came in a collective set of, I think, 3 or 4 other prints, but I didn't really like them. This was the only one with this color scheme that they were doing that I thought was the best. And just so you can see all the detail, there's plaid in the trees. I found another new ornament, and I only picked up 1 because I want to DIY this some way, somehow. I'm not quite sure. It may not make it into a video this year because I've already pre-planned out all my stuff, but you never know. Look how cute Santa is. And he's fluffy. Can you see the thickness? And look at the little palm on his hat. The detail on here. What? And it is a cute ornament. Like, I just love that. I wonder if they had other stuff. I think they might have had a snowman. And then I found these berry garlands. What in the world? Yes, love this. This is new. I did not see this last year. It's 9 feet, and you get this pearl white, this gold, and red, which this one was my favorite. This one just looks so expensive, like it came from Hobby Lobby or a craft store or a home goods store. I found some charming farmhouse Christmas style decor. Ta-da! I only found the 3, not sure if there's other options. I really like Santa with his green mittens, by the way. And the reason why I think this is farmhouse is just that metal quality, and it just does, it's not overly perfect. I don't know, something about it screams farmhouse to me. I will say I've never really been a fan of penguins as an animal for Christmas, but I get the whole penguin winter connection, I guess. But they are wearing scarves, which I do find incredibly adorable. And you know what? I'll probably put him up in my daughter's room since he is holding a candy cane. I can't wait. I've never shared her room, and I recently did a house tour, and so I'm very excited to share her Christmas peppermint themed bedroom this year with you guys. So I hope that you stick around to see what I do, but looking at him makes me realize he could be perfect in there. And ta-da! Another one of these famous Dollar Tree wood wall decors. This one says Merry Christmas. Has that vintage quality. The text, the font, and even the color combination of the dark green, the slime green, just gives it that vintage look for me. I really like this. I think there's a lot of DIY potential with this. And now we're down to the stars of the show. This was a smaller haul, but okay. So I said this in a video somewhere, but I need to go back and watch my Dollar Tree Christmas videos. I really do, because I need to remember, like, redo the inventory in my head if this was out last year, if it wasn't. But I saw this beauty and I was just like, I remember they did something like this because I have a bunch of these, but I wasn't sure if this image was new or updated or not. So, and I thought, it's a little red truck. Like, I can't have enough of those in my life. So I was okay picking up another one in the event that I actually already own it. For $1 though, right? Home for the holidays. I even love that. They never really use that sentence, that Christmas, you know, saying, I guess. So I really love that they did that here, because, you know, it's always peace or joy, and those are great. Those are great. But I do like a variety. So home for the holidays, great. I love it. And then the tree is humongous. I mean, who is he? Well, who's riding in there? Clark Griswold? All right, these are new, and I'm gonna show them to you at the same time. So if you're not sitting, this is your 2-second warning. 1, 2. I cannot anymore. I cannot handle walking into that store and not knowing this is about to be staring back at me for $1 damn. I got aggressive there. I got aggressive there. I'm gonna come back down. But let's just take a look at this one for a second. It's a camper. Look at the shape of this. And the tree, just so you can see, it is another layer. So is that, oh, and then the dusted snow, which is also, well, it's painted on, but it also has glitter as well. Season's greetings. I mean, they could have done a little bit more. The door maybe could have had a wreath. They could have had lights strung up, something. But you know what? Beggars can't be choosers. So I'm going to fully accept this and tell you guys that so far 2019 is promising. And then this one. This one is by far the best Christmas item I've ever seen Dollar Tree release, ever. I mean, you know how I feel about the 2016 gift bags. Those just make my heart flutter. But can you compare gift bags to a decor sign? I don't know. I don't even know what to tell you guys. They wrapped it in berries. I don't know if you can see that. Oh my God, can you see all of that beautiful detail? Merry Christmas. I love that. And it's in gold. I don't know if the camera's picking that up quite, but as I was saying, I really think lights would be gorgeous. And you know what? I could probably do that myself. So I may end up altering this. And yeah, that's it for today's haul. I love this store. I love this store. I love this store.